Let's try and use Google Trends. Google Trends is helpful in searching topics, and you can see what is the search interest of those topics. You can analyze and maybe use it for any blog you want to write, any topics you are thinking of writing. You can analyze the search interest. Also, it gives you geographical mapping and shows you spikes, when was a high, when was a low. Let's try and search. Let's search for iPhone 12. So when I search for iPhone 12, this moment it is showing me the stats of United States. I can change it to India, and it's showing me interest of past 12 months. If you see, there is a spike here, which was October. And if you see, it is also showing you by the sub-region and some related queries. Related queries are the keywords maybe which you can use even in SEO. Let's try and see it for India. So if you see again, there's a spike out here. You can see the common states here. And if you want to see which area specifically, you can also see the areas. Now it's showing the city as well. Interest by city, related topics. And if you see related queries, that what people are searching for. Dates can be changed, preset. Maybe you want to search it for in 2 years, 3 years, whatever downline you want to search. And here, let's go back to India. Let's see Punjab. So it's showing where in Punjab, which particular city, and the spikes. So you can see it out here. And related queries. Let's try to compare it with another term. Also, let's go back and try some another term. And you can also see worldwide. Let's try two other terms. Let's try and compare football and cricket. You can also compare cricket. I'm changing this term to football. Here I am comparing football and cricket over past 12 months worldwide. If you see here, it's of cricket. Red is of cricket, blue is of football. And there's a comparison. Now if I want to check it for, let's say, India, I can put India. This moment I'm seeing data for past 12 months. If you see, where are the spikes? Interest for football, you can see here interest for cricket. Subregions. Now if I want to compare it for a custom time range, let's say I want to compare it from 2015 to 2019. I'm just changing the dates here. Let's say 2020. I'm seeing data for that particular range. When was the spike? Here's how you can search it, and you can compare more terms as well. Also in Google Trends, you can see another thing which is trending searches, that what people are searching worldwide. You can see daily trending searches, related so real-time search trends. So you can get trends here, and maybe if you want to create some post out of it or something you want to post about, you can actually see what are the trends. You can change and see it for another countries as well. Let's say I want to see it for New Zealand. Here I've clicked and I can see what is trending today. And you can also see real-time search trends. That's how you use Google Trends to see some topics and see what people are searching for, what are the trends, and if you should use that topic to blog about, or maybe something to post about, and see what's going on. This will help you in entire digital marketing.